Right, and I am live, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back as we are well past the halfway mark into week 10 of the semester, and we are finishing our last week on bones. That's right, we are finishing our last week on the skeletal system. We have exam number 4 in the works here, right? Exam number 4, which will be, then we have exam number 5, which is muscular system, and the nervous system at the end of the semester here. So, what to expect here in the next week. At the end of the week, I will publish exam number 4, the skeletal system. It's gonna open up on Thursday, bright and early Thursday morning. It will close on Sunday at midnight. There is, in fact, 2 parts, right? We'll have 2 parts to this exam, as you've seen with many of your others. The first part of this exam will be like the multiple choice, multiple answer type exam where you'll have to click the appropriate answer. This again goes over chapters 6, 7, and 8, the skeletal system. So remember all those concepts associated with the types of cells associated with the bone. What is the general like function, like how do we classify bones, whether that classification is based on their shape or their location, and then kind of what are the general location of a long bone, right? The diaphyses, the epiphyses, the metaphyses, those different regions associated with it. We also looked at the long bone, the compact bone. And so, part 1, multiple choice, multiple answers, chapter 6, 7, and 8, the skeletal system. 80 multiple choice questions. Each question, that math doesn't come, that doesn't math, does it? Sorry, I jumped a little bit too hard there. That doesn't math, does it? That means that this first part will be worth 100 points, right? So, 100 points for this portion of the exam. You will have 100 minutes to finish it, so a little over an hour and a half. And the second portion of this exam will contain the practical. This is the pictures part of it, right? So this will involve some short answers identifying the parts of the bone. And again, what you'll see is that there's pictures, and there'll be arrowing a different portion of the bone that you're going to be asked to identify. And but please tell me again, what's the specific landmark, but also what is the bone that it is? Like, what bone is that? So again, if it's the head of the humerus, you could say head of the humerus. You could say humeral head. But please indicate, okay, what is the bone? That bone is the humerus. But what is the landmark as well? That landmark might be the head of the humerus, or like the deltoid tuberosity, humerus, right? So being able to identify those different features is going to be the second part here. Again, you saw that practice in the extra credit quiz, right? I gave you the extra credit quiz. I'm going to grade those up and I'll take a look at that. But with the key in mind that you want to identify not just the bone, but also what is that landmark that it's pointing at. And you'll get credit for each of those, right? If you just give me the bone, you'll get partial credit. If you give me the landmark as well, you'll just get partial credit. A little more than half credit, more than if you just gave me the name of the bone. I am interested in the actual specificity, like what is that region, and then generally you can tell me what that bone is as well. So that's the concepts that you guys are going to be giving me, right? These 2 parts, right? So now we're at to 150 points for the exam. It is published now. And then just looking forward, right, with the last 6 weeks of the semester, we'll break it up into the next 3-week sections. We'll be going over the muscular system over the next 3 weeks, and then over the nervous system over the following weeks. But that's what we have, guys, in the future semester. So you guys are doing great. Keep up all the hard work. I look forward to seeing all these responses here at the end of the week as we wrap up chapter 6, 7, and 8, the skeletal system. Take care and stay well. Oh, I lost it, didn't I? Able to connect.